Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. This presentation continues on the same topic, a systems approach to workstation ergonomics, and is the last part of that topic. We have previously covered individual, workstation, and environment aspects to consider for a systems approach to the design of workstations. Finally, we will now look into organization aspects. The Science of Ergonomics, Human Factors and Ergonomics (HFE) promotes a holistic approach which considers the physical, cognitive, and organizational environment. Each of these components of ergonomics has a specific set of considerations. Previous topics have mostly touched on physical and mental ergonomics. Physical ergonomics considers human anatomy, anthropometry, physiology, and biomechanical characteristics as they relate to physical activity, and optimizes a person's interaction with the physical world to make work more comfortable and safer. Cognitive ergonomics considers human cognitive abilities and limitations while working, and accounts for a person's mental health and capabilities to make work less stressful and more effective. Finally, organizational ergonomics considers the structures, policies, and processes of any organization, and it looks at teams, systems, and processes as a whole to help make work more efficient and successful. In this topic, we will be focusing on organizational ergonomics. Let us look at some organizational factors that have been associated with increased work-related musculoskeletal disorders. These include job design factors such as overtime, lack of control over work pace, and deadlines, which can increase the risk of repetitive motions and therefore the risk of musculoskeletal disorders, as it prevents adequate work pauses or breaks to rest overstressed muscle groups. On the other hand, low job autonomy, role conflict, social isolation, and low supervisory support can lead to work-related stress, which causes physiological changes that lead to musculoskeletal changes such as increased muscle tension, therefore increasing the risk of musculoskeletal disorders. What are some ways we can improve the ergonomics of job design? One is to introduce rest breaks to allow workers time to recover from the mental and physical demands of their jobs. Besides rest break, also allow stretch and exercise breaks to reduce muscle tension and increase circulation. In addition, job rotation to tasks with lower repetition or tasks where different muscle groups are used could also be implemented, which not only provides task variety and job enlargement that improves job satisfaction, but also reduces the risk of musculoskeletal disorders. Finally, we can adjust the work schedule so that highly repetitive tasks are spread out over a longer period of time. At the organizational level, some measures could be taken to improve organizational ergonomics. Firstly, the management should ensure that the staffing level is adequate to prevent workers working overtime at a repetitive task. They should also provide ergonomic training for managers, supervisors, and workers so that they can understand and prevent work-related musculoskeletal disorders. Participatory ergonomics, where workers can provide input into the structure and content of their own jobs, is also beneficial to the organization as workers may have ideas on ways that they can perform tasks, control hazards, and improve efficiency. In addition, encourage workers to come forward with their problems and to report symptoms of injury early on by creating a supportive environment where workers are comfortable to report their problems. Finally, the organization can strive to create a culture of ergonomics by implementing preventative, educational, and assessment measures in place. In addition, improved technology and communication channels may enhance collaboration and workers' performance. Finally, quality control methods should be implemented to enable continuous improvements. That is all for this presentation. Thank you for your attention.